a couple of things on the table that needs to be done. You cannot have workers working overtime and incredible hours without compensating them. It's unfair. It's illegal to do that. Come to the table with an agenda to finish this contract. These workers work hard because they believe in the mission. And as you heard, the mission was collaboration. Let's collaborate and win this contract. We have to win. You don't know CWA's history. When we fight,
we win.
When we fight,
we win.
We have had many strikes through CWA. And when we fight,
we win.
We have won all of our strikes. We don't want to do that. But we will if we have to. Go to the table and let's finish this contract. They deserve the wage increases. They deserve compensation for overtime. They deserve health care. They deserve all the things that most workers ask for and need. So for now, what we're going to say to you, Dr. Gray, let's take care of the birds. Let's take care of their environment. We want to do that. It's important for the next generation as well. But take care of your workers that are taking care of the environment and are taking care of the birds. Be fair, Dr. Gray. We want a contract now.
Dr. Gray, hear our call. So I got a couple more bird union members that are ready to tell you about why they're united for a fair contract. First up, we have Darian Fiorino. Right into it.
Like this?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay. Hi, my name is Darian. I work on the social media team at the Audubon. I'm a bird union member. I am a relatively new bird union member. I have not been here for the entire 2.5 years it's taken that we've been bargaining for this. Even in the short amount of time relatively that I've been here, I've seen people, I've seen my coworkers who have been here be so tired. I've seen in my short time people leave the organization because the way that Audubon treats its employees is not sustainable.
That's
It
right.
is simply not. And I work here because I, along with all my coworkers, do so deeply care about protecting birds and the places they need. And so I just ask Dr. Gray that she enable us to do that to the best of our ability because we all care so deeply. I want to thank Gloria, all the CWA members, all the council people who have come to support us. Thank you so much.
Next up, we have Zoe. Hello, everyone. My name is Zoe Christian. I work on the magazine team at Audubon. I love my job, like I'm sure so many of us do. Not only getting to learn about birds and everything that makes them amazing, but learning about all of the incredible people who are involved in learning about them and keeping them safe, like many of us here today. And yeah, so I haven't been at Audubon. I've been at Audubon for less than a year, and in that time even, I can't even count how many amazingly talented colleagues I have seen move on, leave the organization because they cannot afford to pay their rent, to pay for their medical needs, to take off sufficient time to welcome new children or to care for partners. It's not sustainable, it's burning people out, and it has to stop. Our bargainers have been coming to the bargaining table session after session with new proposals, with movement, willing to compromise and collaborate like it says in our values. And time after time we have been met with nothing. At a recent bargaining session, the management and their bargainers came to the table with no proposals. Nothing to collaborate, just flat rejections on everything we have brought them. Nothing else. That is so insulting, so upsetting. Like Gloria said, like we don't want to strike. Nobody wants to go on strike. It is a risk to every one of us, and it will be hard for every one of us And the fact that management is willing to let us do that to get our contract, it's breaking my heart. It's so upsetting that our employer would do that to us. We don't want to go on strike. We don't want to keep fighting, but we will.